Hello my Indian learners. Myself Shahriar, the founder of Shahriar GIS School. 24 नवंबर 2022 मैं आ रहा हूँ आपसे मिलने आलिया यूनिवर्सिटी इंडिया में, not physically but digitally, in the webinar on GIS in the Multidisciplinary World, organized by Civil Engineering Department of Aliah University, India. I will be there as an international speaker to give a speech on GIS Career Guideline and Open Source GIS. The Department of Civil Engineering, Aliah University, is going to organize a wonderful webinar program in where you are going to learn a lot of important and interesting issues of GIS, how to use GIS in any kind of sectors including civil engineering, architecture, environmental science and many more. और मैं वहाँ पर आऊँगा आपको ये सिखाने, आपको ये बताने क्या है ये GIS एक्चुअली, इसे किस तरह आपके सेक्टर पर यूज़ किया जा सकता है। अगर आप GIS सीख भी लें उसके बाद आपके कैरियर में, जॉब मार्केट में इसकी क्या वैल्यूज़ है, हाउ टू बूस्ट अप योर कैरियर बाय लर्निंग GIS, हाउ टू लर्न GIS with cheap cost, how to complete your GIS project with cheap cost by using open source GIS software, even how to complete a WebGIS project without learning any web programming. Basically, in this webinar, we are going to play with GIS in a field of, no, not in a particular field. We are going to play with GIS in the multidisciplinary world. So, complete your registration as soon as possible to join this webinar organized by Civil Engineering Department of Aliah University to enjoy GIS in the webinar on GIS in the multidisciplinary world. See you there.